Good morning, guys. Come here. I got a treat for you. Here is Sunny. Sunny, my God. Here's cookies. Sunny, come here. Come here, Sunny. Come, you're not going outside yet. So this is from Temptation. This is the first time I actually ordered this for them. And it's really good. My cats love this Temptation treat. Come here, Sunny. Come here. Treats. Here comes my baby boy. He loves it. Yum, yum. Okay, Sunny. Okay. Wait for your turn, cookies. Sunny first. There, Sunny. Mm. Good boy.